The eye tracking is an exceptionally helpful accessibility feature designed to let you control your iPhone using just your eyes. Specifically created for people with physical and motor disabilities, it works pretty well and offers a wide range of customizations so that you can fine-tune the tracking in accordance with your preference. In this very aspect, I'm going to talk about the 3 different ways to enable eye tracking on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. That said, let's get started. So first off, let's learn how to enable and customize eye tracking from the Settings app on your iPhone. Settings app provides a pretty straightforward way to enable and customize the eye tracking feature. Whether you want to smoothen up the pointer movement or auto-hide the menu or use the drill control in sync with the eye tracking, the Settings app has got you fully covered. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone and then you have to choose the accessibility option, and under the physical and motor section, choose eye tracking, and after that you can enable and customize eye tracking in line with your needs. And now it's time to learn how to activate eye tracking using the accessibility shortcut on your iPhone. Accessibility shortcut also provides a pretty hassle-free way to activate and use the eye tracking feature on your iPhone. To set it up, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Accessibility Shortcut, and then you have to select Eye Tracking. With this handy shortcut now ready, you can quickly activate the eye tracking feature by just triple clicking the side button aka the power button on your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that if you have selected more than one feature, triple clicking the side button will first bring up the accessibility shortcut menu. After that, you'll have to choose the eye tracking for activation, so make sure to keep this important thing in your mind. Next up, let's learn how to add eye tracking to your iPhone's control center. If you want to quickly access and activate eye tracking on your iPhone, why not add its icon to the control center? To get it done, you just have to swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. And then you have to tap on the plus button located at the upper left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the Add a Control button at the bottom. And then you have to head over to the motor accessibility section and choose the eye tracking icon. And then you have to hit the empty space to confirm the change and then get out of the editing mode. Going forward, you can activate the eye tracking feature by just tapping its control center icon. And finally, it's time to learn how to add eye tracking icon to your iPhone's lock screen. With the eye tracking control readily available, you can now display the eye tracking icon right on your iPhone lock screen. Yeah, you got that right. You can trigger and use this handy feature right from your iPhone lock screen. To do so, you just have to press the power button of your iPhone to access the lock screen. And then you have to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. And then you have to long press on the lock screen. And after that, you have to tap on the Customize button and choose the lock screen option. And when you are in the lock screen editing mode, you have to tap on the minus button at the top of the control that you want to get rid of. And then you have to tap on the plus button. And then you have to head over to the motor accessibility section and choose eye tracking. And finally, you have to tap on the done button at the upper right corner of the screen to confirm the change, and you are all set. From now onward, you can quickly activate the eye tracking feature by just long pressing its icon. Just like this. Super cool, isn't it? And that's pretty much it. So these are the 3 different ways through which you'll be able to enable and use eye tracking feature on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.